Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, swing arms ready to go back in the bike. Absolutely flawless, tick, that's that done. Now, everything else here on the bench though is not. Some of the components on here are getting replaced, like the chain and sprockets, like these rear sets, they're getting replaced with black ones. The rear shock, going to replace that completely with a YSS unit. That's getting recycled into something else in a future project. And everything else here pretty much, well, that's going to be reused. Things like this sprocket cover, well, obviously there's no need to replace that. It's got flaky powder coat, so that's just a repaint. I can't put it in the blasting booth though, because it's got needle roller bearings in it. I'm going to leave those there. So it is a long day today, just preparing and painting. Painting means raising the temperature in here from what it is now, which is about 10 degrees centigrade, up to 20. I need to get it up to about 20 degrees and then I can start painting all this. So that means running the heaters, both the blow heaters in here to get the temperature up. That's going to make a lot of noise. So for today's video, I'm going to put some music over the top if you don't mind. I don't do it very often, but when I do, I like to share an artist that I absolutely love myself. So today, two artists for you. I'll put links here on the screen to what they are and proper links under the video if you want to download their music yourself. And if you do want to download it, leave them some love and leave them something in their tip cup as well, because music freely uploaded to the internet, well, that is a gift and we should reward it, shouldn't we? So here we go. Let's get stuck in.
I've worked for dips and never had it on a plate. It's reality, and it's the fact you got a face. I'm a chisel boy, and that's the time you got a ring. I believe it's gonna be a thing, turn out the bass, cause my brand is real, and I can only call it fake. Sipping on my tea, ginger, now I'm dipping in. Me, I'm looking forward, you seeing what you could have been. Emerging from the crowd to the non-stop bustling. Take a knuckle, hate the hustle and the bustling. A couple years skipped, but I'm back on it now. Eyes up on the top spot, I'm taking the crown. To my family, I ain't letting you down. I was the quickest on the team, and it was the GK, wow.
unknown for me to fill the hole that deep within my soul. Through the open door we bolt, time is of the essence, so we pack the bags and leave the home, not knowing where we're supposed to go. The present is here, the future is near. Don't walk alone in this path, my dear. Slowly down the open road, our minds are fixed on where to go. We pack our bags, we get, we go. We travel far into the unknown. I hold your breath, take the dip, or rise again. What world is this? It can be lonely down the open road, mind fixed on where to go. At night sometimes I spark and see, claim a chest and still the road. The end is near, let's turn the page. It comes the time to part of ways. Don't think of past and look in rage. Look back in time to smile. It can be lonely down the open road, mind fixed on where to go. At night sometimes I spark and see, claim a chest and still the loot. The end is near, let's turn the page. It comes the time to part of ways. Don't think of past and look in rage. Look back in time and smile again. Try to explain how I feel today. Emotional height, you feel the same. Walk through the sand, hand in hand. The feeling you give me keeps me sane. Now open your eyes on the beach where we lay. Sun shines with us as we play. I buy the drink or say okay. Fade away, let's fade away. Baby girl, let's fade away. Take my hand, you got me feeling all kinds of different ways. Maybe we're in a different lane. Fade away, let's fade away. This one's for my brothers who love going out and getting space. It can be lonely down the open road. Mind fixed on where to go, but that's the time to spark and see. Claim a dress and still the loot. The end is near, let's turn the page. Comes the time to part the ways. Don't think of past and look in rage. Look back in time to smile. It can be lonely down the open road. Mind fixed on where to go, but that's the time to spark and see. Claim a dress and still the loot. The end is near, let's turn the page. Comes the time to part the ways. Don't think of past and look in rage. Look back in time and smile. It can be lonely down the open road. Mind fixed on where to go, but that's the time to spark and see. Claim a dress and still the loot. The end is near, let's turn the page. Comes the time to part the ways. Don't think of past and look in rage. Look back in time and smile. It can be lonely down the open road. Mind fixed on where to go, but that's the time to spark and see. Claim a dress and still the loot. The end is near, let's turn the page. It comes the time to part the ways. Don't think of past and look in rage. Look back in time and smile again.
Watch the world change as we sit here at this stage. A new dawn breaks while security is tame. While we can live our lives, you may think that this is insane, but as the time ticks, we enter a different game. Watch the world change as we sit here at this age. A new dawn breaks while security is tame. While we can live our lives, you may think that this is insane, but as the time ticks, we enter a different game. I would not call me holy, spirited when lonely. Talk to G.O.D, he says I got to stay away. Alone upon his rock, I'm trying to fish without a bait. One will come my way, I just don't know if I can wait. What's he trying to say?
Right, here we are at the midway point, ready to paint now. That took 3 hours to prepare those. The blast booth just took off the loose stuff. It didn't remove the actual powder coat itself, just removed what was fragile and unstable. Now that's done, I know that what's left on there is proper rock solid and nice for a base coat. Any of the edges where it's bare metal to powder coat, I've feathered those out, so hopefully none of it will show. 3 good thick coats after a tack coat should make a really nice job of these 5 critical pieces. And I can start reassembly in the next video. Now that's it for now. I can't speak to you once there's paint in the atmosphere, so I'll say goodbye at this point. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe, and I hope you've enjoyed the music today. Let's get busy.
Segregated myself upon this mountain I have made. The vision blurred, skin fade into the new phase. Trying to catch me round with the slugs. I stay woke, keep your ears to the hook. You best not take me for a joke. I move weights in the gym like a motherfucking dope dealer. Never been realer, chillin' the hills with the chinchilla. Whip is moving quicker, zim off the big figure. Taste you put in my mouth, the flavour it is quite bitter. Say it with vigor before you go and pull the trigger. Wash it with some liquor, the big killer hit 6 figures. You can call me Cammy, it's nice to meet ya. Cammy, how's your rap? Your jam, play the beat, yeah. Are you sitting comfortably? You better take a seat, car. Cammy started rapping in the middle of the. You can call me Cammy, it's nice to meet ya. Cammy, how's your rap? Your jam, play the beat, yeah. Are you sitting comfortably? You better take a seat, car. Cammy started rapping in the middle of the. Got the fire in my belly, cause I am better than the rest. I strive on competition, yes, I strive to be the best. Knowing how to win, I've got that feeling of success. Compare me to another, I will always win the contest. No rest, backing up the progress. Harvest now a place where we're walking past the homeless. Living on family is a calm place to be. But dry your tears and face your fears naturally. Because I shed tears, met fears, got scared, been feared. I'ma do it proper, goal setting for next year. You can try, cry, and still whine. You ain't gone so hard or a soul, bro. I've got mine, Amsterdam, you're making plans, you're living kinda nice. Love the life and love the vibe, that's why it's doubling for me. Grab a deer, chair. Hear the facts precisely. I just say Guten Tag and get the gal to buy the room. Chica, yo, my name is Cammy. Cammy, it's nice to meet ya. Cammy, how's your rap? Yo, jam, one play the beat, yeah. Are you sitting comfortably? You better take a seat, car. Cammy started rapping in the middle of the. You can call me Cammy. Cammy, it's nice to meet ya. Cammy, how's your rap? Yo, jam, one play the beat, yeah. Are you sitting comfortably? You better take a seat, car. Cammy started rapping in the middle of the.
Always on the grind, take a walk ride, playing kinda shy. Tell me what you like, this is real life. I will turn your nighttime dream into a real life situation. Take our friends because they hate us. From the moves that we be making, they double taking when we skating. That top floor I get mistaken. I'm moving like a tiger, moving 3 miles. Sub 19, it's on the clock, ain't nothing higher. Keeping up with me, I'm with the mission, you look tired. The perjury is real, and they call I like Myers. So keeping up with me, will ensure you're a survivor. Sub 19, it's on the clock, ain't nothing higher. Keeping up with me, it's a mission, you look tired. The perjury is real, and they call I Mike Myers. When we go to, when we roll through, my people gonna show you how we're gonna go through. Cause everywhere we go to, my people are smart, they're gonna help me to the charts. Cause we're making our mark. Everywhere we go to, when we roll through, my people gonna show you how we're gonna go through. Cause everywhere we go to, my people are wise, we're gonna take you by surprise. Cause we're switching up the lines. I got something that I wanna say. The realization of how the real world really is. Good people working week in and week out, but not for the fun of it. Paychecks for unexpected marriages and kids. Jay's age 40 with the house and the holidays, where he's sporting lines and he's betting his life away. They both the same age, opportunities right. Piss down the street, now right to the path left. 20 in hand, he went and placed it on another bet. Jay ran past and he was matching his PP. Showered and went out to go